Alright guys, a little bit of a problem in the shop. These are cracks, and when it rains it pours down onto my electronics in the shop. Not only did a lot of my really important information get soaked, this has been sitting in a bag of rice for 2 weeks. All of these hard drives, they all got soaked through. But our M.2 SSD boot drive on the computer here, connected to the motherboard, also fried. So we don't have any access to even use the tower because I don't have a backup SATA 3 hard drive as a boot drive. We're gonna drive down to Fry's before they close and see if we can get this fixed, and we can keep editing. Adapter, plug it in, see if it works, and then we'll return it if it doesn't. This is our issue. We can have some SATA cables, a boot drive. We did not find an NVMe compatible adapter. Just gonna throw this in. Something I could do a much better job at on these vlogs is provide you with some more context. There's a lot of gaps of information missing that I do a bad job of filling in for you guys, and you know, as a storyteller I like my visuals to do that, but I definitely need to appeal to
Alright, we're almost there.
Giving people the information that they're, you know, missing. Anyway, to start, we're here at the airport to pick up my buddy Troy. Met him 4 years ago at a supercar rally in Australia. Actually, I think it's 5 years ago now. We spent some time together in Thailand in a villa, and this is the craziest guy I think I've ever met in my entire life.
I'm Christian.
Troy, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Troy is a really good friend of mine, a super successful entrepreneur, and just a really fun guy to be around. I think that instead of me telling you about him though, you should just see this latest spot on the current fair. It'll show you how crazy he is.
First, there's nothing wrong with letting your hair down on Australia Day with a couple of drinks. But these self-confessed proud bogans take partying to an extreme.
Or Troy Candy, as he's known on social media. With the motorbike drying by the pool, Troy's attention turns to another one of their toys. Yep, that's a jet ski. He directs his friends as they haul the water vehicle into the suburban pool.
We always fucking find a way to do cool shit whenever we're...
Is this light going to be distracting,
Yeah.
Zach?
What's that?
Is this light going to be distracting?
No, you're okay.
So we going to the Parliament House or whatever the fuck
Parliament
it is?
House.
So what was that called? Washington DC?
Washington,
Is that another state?
The White House.
Or a suburb?
It's the District of Columbia.
You fuck tonight.
Who knows, man?
Alright,
Cop car.
I want to hear your best English.
So we're just actually on 12th Avenue with Zach Wingfield. We're just currently cruising past like the Seattle police. They're probably gonna find him because he's filming them and trying to drive at the same time.
That one's a V, and that's an old
What's
one.
the S? Will that do
That's
skids?
fast.
Just
Super
kids.
fast.
M4, $199 per day. It's not as exciting because I've got one for...
If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool and I'm like, yes ma'am. Well, you got me yes man. Oh yeah. 80 and I'm 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex man. We ain't gotta go out.
Oh, we need to hook up GoPros on the E30 and just chase them.
IHOP. Oh my god. That's what I see on TV. What's IHOP? Oh my god, it's dog. Right there. The meme dog.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that
Shiba.
is Doge.
Doge.
Doge. Hey, I mean.
What's up? You're on tip code?
Yeah. Are you coming to the garage? No, we didn't start.
Ketchup.
Wait, 148 a day for an RT. Would that thing...
That thing looks like
That thing could slide.
Jam it?
Yeah. Yeah, sounds good.
Not rent it to you if I feel you can't handle the power. Shall I just show him like all my skid videos? If you're
Book
like,
it, mate.
No.
No.
But let's be realistic. Can you handle it? It's not only faster than any of the German competitors, but being a rear-wheel drive American muscle car, it's designed to have a loose back end, so it's going to spit out on you if you don't know how to drive it. It sounds like muscle car.
Yeah.
Tyres cost $400 each, and if you're going to...
No.
Wait. This is sick, cunt.
What?
The tyres cost $400 each, and if you're going to get it to do donuts in a parking lot, then expect to pay for tyres. So he obviously doesn't give a fuck. What a sick cunt. This cunt's a sick cunt.
Girl, I got a question.
And when you're like sideways,
If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend?
you're going upside down.
She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool and I'm like, yes ma'am. Well, you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes man. Oh yeah. 80 and I'm 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex man. Flyer than your ex like, oh my god. Right into your legs like, oh my god. Let's go on a day like, oh my god. When I'm back from LA like, oh my god, yeah. She still think it's odd, yeah. I got all these fans, she's the only one I want, yeah. Impress me with your mind, I might turn you to a mom, yeah. You might get a pension if you work it for me long, yeah. It's gonna be a long, yeah. I don't know how they get like that. Recognize my wrongs and get them fixed like that. Booming through my city with my people all around. Is you coming with me or you staying on the ground, yeah? Yes or no, how'd it go? Where your man? Do you got one on the low? Oh, you do? How'd I know? Born in 1994, still a scrub. I still don't think you notice how to love, but I gotta know that if I take you down, would you really hold me down? I'd be your best friend. She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, man. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The way you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes, man. 80 and 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex, man. I'm flyer than your next, man. I'm flyer than your...